There is an urgent and necessary need for the Maverick to come to the defense of sprinter Johan Blake this evening. People been giving him a hard time for again falling short in his quest to return to the medal podium at a major championship. But to be fair to Blake, who is still the second fastest man ever at both the 100 meters and the 200 meters, 9.69 and 19.26, the former world champion was out of the sport for almost 2 years due to a serious hamstring injury, the kind of injury that most athletes never recover from. Blake is now 29 years old, and after all he has been through, the man is still the Jamaican standard bearer in men's sprinting, doing as best as his scarred body can do, and still being competitive and still being the top Jamaican sprinter. The people we're supposed to be blaming and beating are the next generation of sprinters who's supposed to be getting to finals and winning medals and taking over from people like Johan Blake. Those are the ones we should be criticizing and chastising for letting down Jamaica, and not Johan Blake. You don't want me to call some name? Well, all right. People like Javon Minzy, Kemar Bailey Cole, Julian Ford, Michael O'Hara, even Christopher Taylor, just to name a few. Those are the ones who must get the bashing and not Johan Blake. Who must stop, pressure the beast.